Hey guys, it's Kenny here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So right here, I have a handful of cosmetic products from Etude House. Are you guys interested to know what's inside the bag? But before I proceed, I have a really good news to announce to every one of you who is watching this video right now. I'm officially a beauty content creator for Malaysia's Etude House under Sweet Generation 2.0. Surprise, surprise! I actually went to the audition on 16th of March and it was my second time doing this audition. Honestly, it was so unbelievable because I never thought that I can get in this time. So today I'm going to do an unboxing, haul, and a little bit review of the products that I received from Etude House. So guys, the products in here are worth 600 Malaysian ringgit. Like, wow, that's really a lot, you know. So what do we have here? Let's find out. So the first product here is the Glow On Hydra base under the Blossom Picnic collection. It is a base you apply on before you put on your makeup like foundation or contouring or even face powder. It gives out a glowy appearance and moisturizing effect. So your skin wouldn't feel dry, and like any other face primer, it helps your makeup to stick longer, so you don't have to worry about your makeup falling apart or reapplying your makeup halfway again when you're outside. So next I have these two. This is the Double Lasting Serum Foundation, and this is the Double Lasting Glow Master Brush. So this is how the brush looks like. So it's really easy to apply this together with the serum foundation. It's like really soft and smooth. You know, there's a promotion when you buy these two products together. This foundation is 80 ringgit and this is around 62 ringgit. So you would get a discount if you buy these two products together. And for your information, the serum foundation has 12 shades ranging from cool, neutral, and warm. What I have here is neutral beige shade. I fall in love too easily. I fall in love too easily. This serum foundation gives out radiant and bright effect if you apply it on your skin, like how my skin looks like right now. I know there's a little bit of scars right here because I have a lot of breakout these days, you know. Then here's the Play 101 stick. You know, this product has 3 shades, and this one I'm holding right now is shade number 2, which is Intense. It comes in handy because you can do both highlight and contouring at the same time with the same product, which means kill two birds in a stone. You know what I mean? And moving on from the Blossom Picnic collection, the Mousse eyes includes a total of 8 shades ranging from metal, shimmers, and matte. In here I have 3 of them right now. When you touch on this product, you can feel that this has a soft, buttery, and sticky mousse texture. As a matter of fact, it actually doesn't break or crack easily. It sticks well on the eyes and doesn't leave any smudges, so it is suitable for fast and easy application. The first one here is the Cherry Blossom Popcorn. Then this is the Date Picnic. And the last one is Flower Road. For the blusher I got, it is also under the Blossom Picnic collection, which is the Blossom Chic. And this shade I'm holding right now is under the Pink Trees. To me, this product is the perfect blusher for almost everyone because it gives your cheek color the pop-up effect with light and natural color. It's also available in 3 other shades. So what I have here next are 2 colorful vivid tints. They look exactly like this. Well, you can't really find this in the stores because they have not been released yet. I think it's gonna be around April to May. Hopefully it's gonna be released as soon as possible.
The colorful vivid tints have a sweet minty smell and you can feel a cooling sensation when you apply it on your lips.
So this one is the Fresh Cherry Tomato, which is a red shade. And this shade is Iced Persimmon, which is an orange shade. If you're a fan of Korean gradient lip style, then these products are really suitable for you because it is really buildable. And here I have the Matte Chic Lip Lacquer, which is also under the Blossom Picnic collection. If you love bright and matte lips, then this product is highly recommended for you. Besides, it also comes in 2 other shades as well. Finally, I've come to the last product, which is the Curve Fix Mascara. So this shade is in black. There's also another one in brown. You can get this product from the store around 52 ringgit and 50 cents. I chose black because I love black mascaras like more than ever. The lashes stands out even more and it enhances the curling effect. Another tip of this product is that it lasts for 24 hours and it doesn't give any smudges. So I'm done with my unboxing, and which products do you like the most? If you're interested to know more of the products that I've introduced just now, do comment down below the comment section to ask anything from me, and also do drop by to any of the Etude House outlets if you want to get up close to the products. And not to forget, I'm also going to create a makeup look tutorial by using some of the products that I've shown you guys just now. So stay tuned. If you like this video, do give a thumbs up, and also you're welcome to follow my Instagram accounts, which are KindlySteadyAF and KindLective. And remember to click subscribe to my YouTube channel if you would like to stay tuned for more videos in the future. So I guess that's all for today. See you next time and bye guys!